Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful. How to use a Visa gift card on Amazon in 2025. Whether you're treating yourself or using a gift from a friend, this method is straightforward and hassle-free. Let's jump right in. First off, why bother with a Visa gift card on Amazon? It's a great way to control your spending or redeem gifts without linking your main bank account. Plus, with Amazon's ever-evolving features in 2025, it's even easier than before. But before we start, make sure your Visa gift card is activated and has funds. Most cards require you to register them online or via the issuer's app. Do that first to avoid any headaches. Step 1. Log into your Amazon account on the website or app. If you don't have one, sign up quickly. It's free and takes just a minute. Once you're in, head to the Account section and select your payments or wallet. Here, you'll see options to add a new payment method. Step 2. Choose to add a credit or debit card, then enter your Visa gift card details. You'll need the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. In 2025, Amazon might prompt you for additional verification, like a one-time code sent to your email, to enhance security, so keep an eye out for that. Step 3. After adding the card, go ahead and shop. Add items to your card as usual. When you're ready to check out, select your Visa gift card as the payment option. If the card has restrictions, like not working for certain items, Amazon will let you know upfront. Pro tip. If your gift card doesn't cover the full amount, you can split payments with another method, like your Amazon gift card balance or a credit card. Finally, review your order and confirm the purchase. You'll get a confirmation email right away. Remember, some Visa gift cards might have fees or expiration dates, so use them wisely. There you have it. Using a Visa gift card on Amazon is a breeze. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.